It's full of what? What's going on? What's going on? I can't do it from here. I have to get up. Are you kidding me? Ah. Give me water. I need water. Oh my gosh. I have water. Come on, just please keep giving me water. I just need a whole of water. Okay. Come on. Let's go. I can't be wasting time like this. Oh gosh. I have to get all of these ingredients and stuff to the house before anything can happen. Do not need parties getting ruined. Gosh, why aren't these things? I should have been smelting them in the meantime. Just put that in. Blast furnace, put that in. Okay, good. Gosh, wait. Oh, it doesn't smelt in that. Right, I'm dumb. That's for food. Ugh. Please tell me you're finished. What? Why is it not going? Mundane potion. What? Hello? Oh my goodness. It's a weakness. Are you kidding me? Ugh. Cannot be happening. Cannot be messing up. Why is everything not working? Where are the rest of the stuff I need? What? Thought I had them all. Glowstone? That's gonna help. Glowstone. What else? I don't even remember. Okay, you know what? Just put everything in. It's already becoming nighttime. That's gonna ruin everything. Everything's gonna go wrong. What? Glowstone that doesn't work? What do you mean? I have to take this out and put... No. Okay, I don't get what's going on. I don't get it. Do I have to put water in here? Oh, it has to be water bottles. Am I dumb? Come on, just get away, llama. Why is it nighttime? It's stupid. Oh, yeah, hello everyone. I think I'm a very busy scientist right now. Stop doing this nonsense to me. Okay, finish. Big potion. Yes, good. Dang, that doesn't work. Oh my goodness. Dang. Big potion. Gosh, I need to get all of these delivered. Oh gosh. Okay, I think that's like almost everything that they wanted. Oh, wait, the stuff. Oh gosh. Hopefully that's enough iron and gold. And how come gold took so long? Okay, I'll just copper here. No, gold needs to smelt. Copper here. Iron doesn't need so much. Gosh. Okay. This is not going well as planned. Gosh. Okay. I think I could take some time out and teach y'all stuff. Good grief. Okay. Finished everything. The food. But they don't... The food isn't a requirement. But yeah, so... Yeah, they don't want an egg. Why do Okay. I guess I could sell stuff. Okay. So, for anyone who doesn't know, this is what the periodic table looks like. We have hydrogen, and helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine, xenon, cesium, barium, and then after barium here, you go down. After barium, you go down to lathanites, and after radium, you go to actinites. So, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gallium, terbium, spolium, holmium, iridium, thorium, terbium, lutetium. Okay, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, lutetium, osmium, mercury, thallium, lead, bismuth, polonium, acetine, radon, francium, and radium. And then for the actinides, actinium, thorium, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, cerium, bohrium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, something, nobelium, lawrencium, nobelium, I don't know. Then just a whole heap of ones that I can't really pronounce. Then neurovium, flerovium, muscovium, livermorium, tennessine, oganesson. And that is the periodic table. Okay, I have created some stuff for newcomers to understand some of them. So, hydrogen, not really anything, but for any Minecraft players, here are some stuff to remember at least some of the elements, a good amount. Okay, so helium, obviously remember balloons. Oh gosh, okay, the balloon went away. Yeah, okay. Well, helium makes stuff float, and balloons float, so they will float up and away. Yeah. Then, helium, lithium, beryllium, then boron. No, not boron. Fluorine is bone. Fluorine is good for your teeth, so just remember the bone block or teeth when you think of fluorine. Or just think of like, okay, wasn't there a mouthwash or something called fluorine? I don't know. Anyway, so then neon, well, I think everyone should know neon, but like, it lights up stuff. Neon lights, things like that. LED, daytime, please. Okay, good. Okay, next we have sodium, which is salt. Sodium chloride is salt. When you think of sodium, remember salt. Yes, there is salt in it. Or in this case, Rasman 4. Then, this is for, which one is this? Think of kryptonite, that glowing green crystal that Superman loses powers from. Glowing. Just think of glowing green. Glow, like lights, because it helps with lights. Okay. Then, I think everyone should know that. Calcium, milk. Titanium, I think we all know what that is, but example. Iron, copper, and we have silver here, and platinum and gold, and then mercury. Mercury is like a thermometer. It tells you the temperature, whether it is freezing cold or burning hot. Get it? Because the heat block. I also like that it's like an animated texture. I really put some effort into Education Edition. Anyway, so Then the last one that I have something for is lutetium. Also helps with lighting. So anyway, I hope that helped you guys. Remember some of the elements. Oh yeah, and there are just a couple more that I forgot to share. I think one more. This is silicon. Silicon is like those circuits. Complex. Just like redstone. Like what? So just remember redstone when you think of silicon. You're a Minecraft player. You can't really think of stuff like that too well. So yeah, okay. So, enough of the actual stuff. I think y'all are getting bored and clicking off the video already. So, let's get to some funner things, which is probably what you guys were looking for. What on earth are these things that I have? Oh wait, speaking of which, the food should be ready. Oof, that food was gonna burn. Oh, but anyway, so y'all probably wondering what on earth are these things? Well, you can make all of these in Education Edition. Soon I'll make a video on how to do it. But if you want that, then tell me in the comments below. Anyway, so there are plenty of different things. There are different color torches and different glow stick. Okay, you know what? We'll go in order. So there are torches, glow sticks, sparklers here. And over here are blocks. Well, yeah, just that. TNT, other stuff, balloons, and yeah, another thing at the back. That's gonna be for later. So I'm not gonna be showing how to make it in this video because this video is already gonna be long. Out of the way, chicken. Okay, so normally in Minecraft there are only 3 torches: redstone, this, and this. Okay, redstone torches, normal torches, and soul torches. I was wondering what soul torches were for until I realized, did they only bring in soul torches just so that there could be the 3 primary colors in torches? Legit. Red, yellow, blue. Like, seriously. There's no way that's actually a coincidence. Anyone that tries to tell me that's a coincidence is probably wrong. And then there are underwater torches, which are more greenish. And, as the name suspects, they work underwater. Most torches, if you put them underwater, yeah, it has weird particles, but it seems cool. Anyway, most torches, if you put them underwater, they'll break, but this one actually stays and glows. Most torches won't even stay underwater. This one glows and gives off cool particles. Normally the particles would be like, oh yeah, it also works above ground, which is also works on land, I mean. But anyway, so let's just switch that back. Most torches, like, the effect is like fire-ish or redstone-ish. And then this one is like actual smokish particles. Anyway, so then if you add different coloring materials to the torches, you can actually get a red torch, purple torch, blue torch, and green torch, which is pretty cool. So yeah. Whew. I don't know. You can get different colored torches. And honestly, these have been something that people have been wanting for a while. Different colored lights. And these torches actually give you that. So, for example, let me get myself a crossbow. And then I'll just dig myself a hole over here. So, doesn't the light seem a lot warmer than a normal torch? Like, it gives off light, but then since it's red, okay, even the particles are red, like the fire particles are red for it. And that goes for all of the other different types of torches, which is pretty cool. And as you saw, like, the light was way more warm. If it were a normal torch, the light would be way brighter and yellowish. By yellowish, just bright. Anyway, so forget about that. Next, the next thing. I actually want to go to TNT next. Okay, TNT and underwater TNT. Yes, this is a thing. Just TNT and add a secret element that I'm not gonna share until the next video, if you guys want it. You add TNT and that one secret element, you will get underwater TNT. And just as it suspects, it works underwater. Yeah. And then again, if you're not on Education Edition, you don't have to get sad and go and buy it. You don't have to buy it in this game. Or in Bedrock Edition, I think. In Bedrock Edition, you can straight up go to it. But if you're not in Education Edition, you can do this. Then, it'll still... Wait. Okay, messed up this time. Forget about that. Yeah, it should work, right? Look. Okay. Why is it not working? I'm gonna just do this. And then... Okay, so then you can do something like that. And ta-da! It explodes underwater, just like the underwater TNT. So the underwater TNT does do more damage. And underwater TNT works above land, if I'm not mistaken. So, yeah. If you want to compare the two, yeah, underwater TNT is stronger. But then again, underwater TNT does require normal TNT plus an element. And it is way stronger. So, like, it is pretty balanced. So, there you go. Okay, now we are going to glow sticks and sparklers. Glow sticks. These are glow sticks. I do not want to waste them. They don't have any spare, I don't think. That's oh, do not look at that. Okay, don't think I have any extra glow sticks, but basically, yeah, they don't actually light up. They work similar to sparklers, but without the sparkle. If you want to know what I mean, we'll just take blue since I have a whole heap of blues. So what I mean? Okay, so this one is already used. Look at that. It leaves a particle trail behind you, and it glows. Well, the item itself glows underground, I think, or in a dark cave or something. But after a while, both this and the glow stick, they lose their durability and disappear. Yeah, just like in real life. Sparklers, they run out of sparkle, and glow sticks, well, we all know glow sticks don't last long. But just like the glow stick, sparklers, you just shake them, and then out comes the sparkle. It's pretty fun to play with. One thing is like the particles fall every move you make, every move the sparkle makes. So, yeah, pretty fun. Anyway, so yeah, the only difference is the actual item. The glow stick glows more. Yeah, but they don't give off light, which sucks. So no light for Bedrock Edition people. Yeah, and glow sticks come in almost every color, but they don't come in white or black. Which I think is for obvious reasons. Because, well, No, they don't come in light gray or black. They come in dark gray though, because black light isn't really a thing. Can't really do that. Well, black fire is a thing in real life, but it's just weird, and it'd probably be hard to code in anyway. Balloons. Something everybody has been waiting for. Now what? In honor of your wool being black and being a nuisance, I'll test this on you. Bye-bye. The way I just sent a black sheep with a black balloon. Anyway. So yeah, you can make balloons. Not exactly a simple recipe, but one that wouldn't take too much to remember. Yeah. Anyway. So yeah, balloons can pick up mobs, and as you saw over there when I had the helium, you can attach them to fences, and you can also punch them when they're on fences, and then they actually swing around and stuff. Anyway, so yeah. Next, going to block. Now, there's another block that you can get in Education Edition, but I'm not going to get to that yet. So, hardened glass. You can do this with any glass type. But basically, you can also do this with, yeah, it's thicker, and you can also obviously see that it's way stronger. It looks way stronger, at least. It's hardened glass, by the way. Obviously. I need to stop talking like this. Basically, it's just glass but stronger, because you added some elements that, like, make the glass stronger. Yeah. Sure, we'll be seeing some pretty weird houses. Anyway, so if you combine the right things, you can get any of these, depending on what you combine. So, you can get bleach, which works as bone meal or white dye. Get super fertilizer, which does bone meal's job way better. Yeah, like way better. Then there are blocks, which, as you can see over here, okay, ice bombs, first of all. If you throw them onto the water, yeah, they create this. And then heat blocks, if you wait a while, heat blocks will, hello, heat block, there we go, it melts ice. Does it automatically break? Oh, no, never mind, I thought that. Yeah, it only breaks the blocks that are touching it, or like next to it. It doesn't like melt the ones on the corner, which is sad. And then, if you mix the wrong materials and make something bad, you'll just get garbage, which is straight up gunpowder. Why are they trying to say gunpowder's garbage? Anyway. And then there are two other mobs. These, they're not something, but I'm going to show in my next video, because I want y'all to watch it. Anyway, this is the agent mob. Not going to talk about it too much. And then this is the NPC. Nice XP jumping. It can do a lot of stuff. I think I should say more about it in the next video. So, yeah. Anyway, now we're gonna go through the actual workstations and stuff. Okay, y'all know all these ones over here, and obviously the crafting bench. But you don't exactly understand. Yeah, send those to the other people. I have to send this chest to the people too. Anyway, you don't exactly understand these four. This is a compound creator. You put in different things, and you get different results. So let's say I put in chlorine and sodium. Sodium chloride is salt. And the best thing about Education Edition, the crafting recipe doesn't matter how you put them together. Like, I could put the salt in one corner and the chlorine in the other. Like, I can do this, and you can go over here, or I can put you here. Like, yeah, you have to do one at a time. But you don't exactly do one at a time because, well, when you take it, it gives you 64. So, yeah. So you get salt. But anyway, what are you doing, son? Okay, you're going here. Okay. Then there's the element constructor. I think I should do this in a proper order. Okay, element constructor. If you put a certain amount of each element, you will get a different. Okay, you will get a different element. Because if you put a different number of protons, electrons, and neutrons, you'll get lithium. Well, if you put 3 through 3, you get lithium. If you do 5, 5, 5, you get boron, the 5th element. And yeah, you can get all the elements from this for free. That's the best part. Now, if you for say want to do something with those elements, you can go to the compound creator. Now what this will do is it'll combine your elements and make something out of them. For instance, if I grab some hydrogen and some oxygen, if you put 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, you'll get water, which is sick. So then, let's say you get all your stuff that you've mixed together, and then you want to actually do something and get some cool items and stuff with it. So, you're going to go to the lab table, and you're going to put in those things. And if you put in the right amount of stuff, then you might get something. Or, yeah, it might simply just explode if you do something wrong. Or you might get garbage. Or you might get both. So yeah. Or it might even set the table on fire when it explodes. So, yeah. The only thing I like about it is that you can actually get, like, a heap of particles. Yeah, sometimes it's just fun to do that. And there's this cool apple trail, which kind of looks like lava or something. But it's pretty cool. If you combine 2 water, you get garbage. It doesn't even make sense. You shouldn't be able to combine 2 water and get something other than water. Or maybe more water. Anyway, so let's say you've done that, you've gotten a heap of stuff, and in your survival, you have items that you don't really want. Like, let's say, for example, you got some dirt that you don't want. You can put it into the material reducer, and it will give you all of the elements that make up that block. The thing is, it only works on some natural blocks that are actually in real life. And I think if you leave in your zone, then you can actually get the stuff for free. Yeah, I don't know if this works in survival, but if it does, then it's kind of a cheat. Yeah. I do not encourage cheating. Do not cheat in anything. Anyway, so I think I better make sure everything is okay. Yay! Hydrogen and helium and lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air, oxygen so you can breathe, and fluorine for your pretty neon to light up the sign, sodium for salty time, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and then potassium and potassium, sodium, titanium, vanadium, and chromium, and manganese. This is the periodic table. Noble gas is stable. Halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see you outer